Feeling overwhelmed by your Shopify analytics? All those numbers are telling a story about your business. In this video, I'll help you read the dashboard and find the key metrics that matter. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your Shopify dashboard is the control center for understanding your store's health. First, focus on the total sales and conversion rate at the top. This tells you your overall performance. Then, look at sessions versus added to cart. A big gap here means people are browsing but not committing to buy. The Sales by Product section shows your best sellers, while Online Store Sessions by Traffic Source reveals where your customers are coming from. A crucial pro tip: don't just look at today's numbers. Use the date comparison feature to see how you're performing versus last week or last month. This tells you if your marketing efforts are actually working. And just like that, you can move from feeling confused to being data informed. Reading your analytics is the first step to making smarter business decisions. Which metric do you check most often? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to track sales in Shopify reports. Thanks for watching.